Hey guys, do you ever had problem while charging your phone? It's quite common. It happens because the power from adapter is not being transmitted to the device. Listen, there can be two cases. Either your cable is faulty or your port is faulty. So without any further delay, let's get started. So basically I got this speaker from my friend and she told me that it has a faulty port. So in this case we don't have any choice. I'm gonna open the speaker and have a look where is the problem. First of all, unscrew the 4 screws on the speaker. So that's how a normal speaker looks like. There's an amplifier and a charging board, below which we can see a LiPo battery, and on the right we have our speaker. So to take amplifier board out, we need to unscrew the 2 more screws on it. As you can see that the micro USB port is detached from the amp board and we need to solder it on its place. So hold the micro USB port at its place and use alligator clips or any type of clip or clamps that can hold it on its place. Then apply the flux on the soldering point. Micro USB port has 5 legs. One is 5 volt, second is data minus, third is data plus, fourth is OTG and fifth is ground. So in this case, micro USB port is used for delivering the power. So we only need to connect 1 and 5. And I would like to suggest you that these soldering points are very tiny. So if you haven't done soldering before, don't do it. Trust me, you're gonna shorten something on the board and it can damage the whole board and even your phone when the music is played on it. So for making it more durable, I am applying a layer of epoxy resin on it. You can easily find it on any hardware store near you. You can also use glue gun on it, but it has a low strength. So before assembling it back, let's have a test. Charging circuit is working fine. Now turn on the amplifier. It has a green LED which is not visible because of the red one. Always double check the connections that you have done. And sorry, because of the light, screen of phone is not visible. Amplifier is also working fine. Now let's reassemble it. First of all, place the amp board at its place and give it a support by 2 screws by tightening them. Now pull the audio cable out and place the speaker and tighten the remaining 4 screws. Now take a final test. The charging circuit is working fine. And now amplifier test. It is also working good.